Hey my loves, here are some effective tips for promoting healthy lock growth. Number one, maintain a healthy scalp. I cannot stress this enough. Cleanse regularly, wash your locks every 2 to 4 weeks to prevent buildup. Moisturize. Use lightweight oils like jojoba or grapeseed to keep your scalp hydrated. Massage your scalp. Scalp massages with stimulating oils are going to be your best friend. Peppermint, tea tree. Oh, a bird! That was so random. As I was saying, this will increase blood flow and encourage growth. Step 2, moisturize your locks. Stop going dry and thirsty. Okay? Use hydrating mist. Spray your locks with a water-based hydrating mist daily or as needed. Add aloe vera or rose water for extra moisture. And once you're done with that, seal it with an oil. After misting, seal in the moisture with a natural oil like castor oil or avocado oil. Number 3, protect your locks. Listen, cover your locks at night. Use a satin bonnet, silk scarf, silk something to prevent breakage and retain the moisture that you just put in. Also, avoid over manipulation. Minimize tight retwist, excessive styling, and pulling to protect the roots. Number 4, nourish from within. I always tell people it's not about what you put on, it's what you put in also. Eat a healthy diet. Eat foods rich in vitamin A, C, E, and biotin. For example, leafy greens, nuts, berries. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and green juices, all the juices, okay, for overall hair health. Number 5, please be gentle. Avoid heavy products. Use lightweight, residue-free products to prevent buildup. And then also, sometimes you may have to trim your weak ends. Trim damaged or locked weak spots to maintain strength. Number 6, stick to a routine. Consistency is so key. I know it's cliche, but stay consistent with your wash, your moisturization, and maintenance routines. Also, have patience. Lock growth takes time. Stop comparing to your journey to others. Stop comparing your locks to others. Okay? And then I have an ebook on my website, Tyesha.onrece.com. It's a Loc Guide Ebook giving you all the ins and outs of starting your lock journey. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. Peace, love, and abundance.